Alright, so for today's job, I'm going to replace the valve cover gasket on this 2004 BMW Z4 3.0. We're just going to start off by taking off the support member, this pump, the covers, and then we'll be able to get the valve cover off really quick and easy. Got 16 millimeter. Normally there's 10 millimeters right here. I left those off because I didn't have them when I bought the car. Last one's a little bit tricky to get to. It's behind the heat shield right over here, just along the valve cover toward the end. You can see right here, your gasket sits right along here, as well as your plugs. These gaskets were put on about last year, so it came off really easy. Sometimes you have to pry on the outside of the valve cover. You gotta be very careful not to crack this. These generally are very brittle. I'm gonna be using some Felpro gaskets. I should note that for the top side of the valve cover, you have your rubber grommet, then you have your washer, and then you actually have your nut. That all goes together like that as an assembly, and then that goes into the valve cover. So when you go to tighten this valve cover, you want to be very careful. You want to put even pressure across it, kind of work from the inside out. I'm going to do a light couple passes first to kind of get it made it down before I actually torque it to spec. So proper torque spec for this is 10 Newton meters. I'm going to set my torque wrench. The torque on these 8 mils is so nominal that I just do it by hand. All right, so that's about the end of the video. I got this done in about an hour or less. If you enjoy videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. That helps a lot and motivates me to make more videos like this. Till next time, take it easy, guys.